All raspberry plants need pruning. Hi, I'm Anna, and today we are going to prune some raspberries to show you what to cut and what to leave. Once a raspberry cane has produced its main crop, it dies back. Primocanes bear fruit in their first year of growth, while regular canes produce their main fruit in the second year, although some may yield a small crop in the fall of their first year. Regardless of the type, removing dead canes in the spring is essential. The specific pruning method depends on the type of raspberry plants you have, but they all require pruning to keep the raspberry patch productive and accessible. Regular cane raspberries are the most common traditional varieties. They produce berries on last year's growth. The berries can be red, purple, or yellow. In our cold climate, we prune regular cane raspberries in early spring before the plant develops leaves. Keeping the old canes over winter provides them more support from heavy wind or snowfall. When it's time to prune, remove old canes. It is easy to see which are alive and which are dead. The old canes are usually lighter in color and would break if bent. They also have side shots, another easy indicator. Once the old canes are cut close to the ground, you can better assess the new growth. Remove all weak canes, as they are often suckers that attempt to grow new plants, eventually overgrowing the raspberry patch. Only leave sturdy and healthy canes. For every established plant, you can leave up to 4 canes per plant. Additionally, remove canes that are too close together. Aim for 9 to 10 canes per meter or 3 feet of a row of raspberries. Growing up, my parents taught me to always trim the tops of the regular canes. This seems to result in larger berries, but it may reduce the overall harvest. Try both methods, to prune the tops or not, to see which one you prefer. Primocane raspberries produce fruit on new growth. The polka variety we grow requires winter protection. Cut them down in the fall. Use the old canes, leaves, and mulch to cover the plants. In early spring, spread out the mulch to encourage new growth. Black raspberries grow similar to blackberries, although there are also Primocane black raspberries available. The variety we grow is Wyoming, which can reach up to 6 feet in height. The side shoots that produce fruit can also grow about 3 feet long. We have struggled to keep them at bay and overwinter them also. The tops of the old canes did not survive the Zone 3 winter. Our solution is to prune the plants back in the fall to about a foot in height. You can leave more if you are in a warmer climate. This helps them overwinter better and still allow for significant harvest of berries. By midsummer the following year, new canes begin to grow. These new canes grow quickly and do not produce berries in the first year, so we also prune them back to keep the bush manageable. It is easier to remove the fruit-bearing branches that have side shoots and are dark in color in the fall. But it's also not hard to identify them in spring because of the shoots and the color and just looking old and dead. Find more information about growing delicious raspberries in a cold climate at northernhomestead.com. The link will be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.